Welcome to this amazing two-story, two-bedroom and two-bathroom condo on the southeast trail of the Atlanta Beltline. As you enter through the main entrance on the upper level, you'll immediately notice the open floor plan that allows for plenty of natural light to fill the space. The dining room, living room, and kitchen flow seamlessly together, making this home perfect for entertaining. Speaking of the kitchen, it features an oversized island with stunning quartz countertops, built-in shelving, and all-new stainless steel appliances. Here you can see the master bedroom and bathroom. The bathroom features a double vanity, shower, a walk-in closet, and it gives you plenty of storage space. Now let's head downstairs to the lower level, where you will find a secondary bedroom with a full bathroom, a laundry closet, and a one-car garage, plus two large closets for additional storage. This community is conveniently located next to the Beacon development, which has many great restaurants and shops right on the Atlanta Beltline. And with a quick access to the I-75, the airport, Lakewood Studios, and more, you'll be just minutes away from Grant Park, Glenwood, Somerville, downtown, and beyond. Thanks for joining us on this tour of this amazing property. Contact us to schedule a showing today.